Today's recipe calls for eggs. We'll be making 3 of my favorite egg and toast breakfasts. Our first recipe starts with poached eggs. Add a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar to a pot of simmering water. Crack an egg and add it to the pot. Let the egg cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove it from the water and set it aside. The second egg will be a simple fried egg. Add about a teaspoon of olive oil to a medium hot pan. Crack an egg into the pan and cover it with a lid to cook the yolk. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then set the egg aside. We'll fry all our vegetables in the same pan. Add a teaspoon of butter. When the butter is melted, add sliced tomatoes and season with salt and pepper. Flip the tomatoes to cook the other side and remove when done. Next up is the mushrooms. Melt about a teaspoon of butter again and add in the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. If you're liking the video so far, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps my channel to grow. Flip the mushrooms to cook the other side, then remove when done. We'll cook our bell peppers the same way. A teaspoon of butter goes into the pan. Add in the bell peppers. Stir and remove when they're cooked. Finally, let's cook our spinach. Add them to the pan, season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then fry. They'll wilt quite significantly when cooked. Set them aside when done. Now it's time for the third egg. Crack an egg and separate the egg whites into a bowl. Set the yolk aside. We'll use it later. Beat the egg whites until it turns into this incredibly fluffy foam. Add oil to a medium hot frying pan and gently add the egg foam. Make a little indent in the middle and add the yolk. Cover to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove. Before we assemble our eggs and toast, let's make a delicious egg sauce and garlic butter. For the sauce, add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice into a bowl. We'll use the double boiling method to make our sauce. Whisk the ingredients over a bowl of simmering water to emulsify the ingredients together. Add a half teaspoon of finely chopped chives to finish off the sauce. For the garlic butter, combine 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 clove of finely minced garlic, half teaspoon of dill, and a pinch of salt to a bowl. Mix the ingredients until they're well incorporated. This will add an incredible boost of flavor to the recipe. It's time to assemble our toast. Add the garlic butter to your toast. For the first toast, add smoked salmon and the poached egg. Add your tomatoes, mushrooms, bell peppers, and spinach on the side. Top with spring onions and chives. Then drizzle the egg sauce onto the toast. For the second toast, add your favorite cold cut, then the fried egg. Repeat with the side of veggies and top again with the chives, spring onions, and our egg sauce. Finally, for the third toast, add your cold cut, the fluffy egg. Add the veggies to the side and top again with the egg sauce. You can serve these egg and toast combos with your favorite fruits to enjoy as a delicious, savory breakfast. Hope you enjoy!